Hello everybody, today I want to show you my safety upgrade. When you follow my channel, then you will remember I built this battery 2 years ago, around 2 years ago now, and initially there was a BMS installed. This BMS failed, and after this I just put a balancing board inside, but there was not really a control of the banks, the battery banks. So I was running this battery pack without any BMS for 1.5 years. And it's a safety concern, as you know, when lithium ion cells are unbalanced, it can be that you get a fire and you not switch off the battery. It's dangerous. So I considered to build BMS by myself. I use this relays. One relay monitor one cell pack, and all these relays are connected to the cutout relay. So in case there is any problem with the cell voltage, too high or too low, then I cut out automatically the battery, the complete battery. So, and should there be a problem with the fire, I add a plastic pipe for running over the cells. This pipe is connected from both sides to the water supply. So it's meaning when you have two spots of a fire, you will have all the time the possibility to extinguish this with a lot of water. I not believe that I ever will get a fire after 2 years of running without any problem, and I have fuses on every cell. Now with the relays that control the banks, the single banks, I believe that this will work. A little bit more on the details of these relays, also the voltage for every cell. They are hardware connected directly to the cutout relay, and all the relays have a Modbus connection. And what I did, I made software that read out the values and store the values inside to a database. Later on in the video I will show you the software, but first a little bit about the functions of the switches. With the mode switch I can switch between automatic mode. I have not a sticker in the moment. I have automatic mode, I have the off mode, so everything is off, it's cut off, it will also not go on. And then I have the manual mode, meaning that the relays have no impact to the cutoff relay. It is on all the time. So back to auto mode. And now I will show you a little bit about the software. Here we have the remote view from my Windows computer that control the solar system. As you see, my battery is quite empty in the moment. We have raining season. It's raining for days already, so not much input. And you can see here in the curve, switch off what I did just now on the panel, on the control panel, when I cut off the battery. So I switched automatically to the other battery. That's why the solar output go down and for a moment, and charging go down for a moment before I switched back. In the moment I charge was around 230 amps. The maximum what I charge is around 300 amps. So here you can see the program I did. You can see all the single cells. You can see the minimum voltage. You can see the maximum voltage and also the cell where it belongs to, and you see the cell difference. The battery voltage is recorded, the battery amps charging or discharging, and also the SOC from the battery. So everything is recorded, and it's quite interesting to see how these values change during load changes. Also you have cell difference from 0 to 100 millivolt. All these things are locked in a database. The switch values for the relays, cut-off values, you can set in a file, and this will be then automatic read in when you open the program. The data, you can look history, all the values I save in the database, and you can check them here on this list. You can see the difference change during the load changes here, so from really 0 to 71 here on this page up to, so I made some lock in the software so that I can see during the development of the software what is running in the program, so I have a log file. In the moment I'm working on some extension of this program that I can use Wi-Fi switches, that I can switch off loads automatically if the battery level go down to a certain percentage. But this is a topic for the next video, and I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe if you want to know about the Wi-Fi switches, so you get informed when the next video coming out. A little bit about what I use to build this software. I use advanced HMI. They have a software, let's call it software package, what's running on Visual Basic, and you can adjust it to your needs. You can download this for free. I made a link in the description below. And so you can try by yourself, build things like this. It's not that difficult if you have a little bit knowledge about programming. Just give it a try. I also add for you a link to this relays, where you can get the relays, and to some other things what I need to relay and computer together. That's it for today. I hope I will see you on the next part of this video when I show you how the Wi-Fi switches work. Thanks for watching.